Hey everybody, sorry I couldn't make it in class today. So here's the recording of the example from that you'll be doing today from my earlier class. Okay, so you ready? So let's do the example one, type of lunch and how individuals feel. I'm sorry it took so long for your Google Doc to load. So I go back to my form responses. I go to data, pivot table, data, pivot table. And that's what we're going to do for all four that you choose. Creating a new sheet. McKenna had a great question about renaming it on the bottom. You don't need to for this one. And now I need my rows, columns, and values. So I look at my questions and I say, okay, type of lunch and how individuals feel. Type of lunch would be my rows. So today's lunch. Columns would be how do you feel? Because that was the second part of the question. And then the values is how do you feel? Okay, and I chose how do you feel because it's just the last one I chose. I press Control A to select it all, and I center it to make it easier to read for me. Cool. Then I just select what's inside, just the data, and I do the chart. Okay, and I do the chart. And then once I have that chart, I can choose, do I want to look at the table or do I want to look at the chart? Like, which one do I want to look at? I changed that to this. I just like this better. These stacked. Okay. So then my example answers, once I have those created, then my example answer could be, if I'm just looking at the table, if you pack your lunch, there's a relationship between being happy, feeling mad, or feeling tired. Because those have the most. I should add that. Okay. So the key, if you're just going to use the table, is to include the numbers. If I'm using the chart, an example answer could be the bars for packing the lunch and feeling happy, mad, or tired are a lot higher than all the other answers. Yeah. Kojo, did that help? I feel like I might have gone way. All right, everybody. There's your example. Thanks again for doing this on your own. And I will see you on Monday. Submit this at the end of class or by the end of class. Thanks, everybody.